2013 Heartland Bighorn Silverado SV 37QB for sale in Centreville, Maryland 21617. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2013 Heartland Bighorn Silverado SV 37QB. This luxury fifth wheel is 41.58 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 10 guests. It has been outfitted with 4 slide-outs and 1 awning, as well as an automatic leveling system both front and rear. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2013 Heartland Bighorn Silverado SV 37QB is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove / OvenConvection MicrowaveFridge / FreezerKitchen, SinkDinette with bench seating outside, KitchenFireplace, 2 TelevisionDVD / CD / StereoOutside, EntertainmentTwo sofa, SleepersStand up, ShowerTwo, BathroomsMaster, queen-size bed, full-size master, ClosetBunk, BedsBasement, StorageFurnaceHeat, pump, and much more. This 2013 Heartland Bighorn Silverado SV 37QB is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2013 Heartland Bighorn Silverado SV 37QB fifth wheel can be yours.